Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 2012 question which is basically based on the calculation of resistance R pi, which is the resistance looking from the base side of a transistor. So in this question, we have to find the R pi, and the given thing is the base current. This base current is basically the instantaneous base current is given. That's why it is written ip. Okay, and this value will be 1 plus 0.1 cos 1000 pi t in milliampere. So in my earlier video I have already told the description about the instantaneous current. Instantaneous base current, and this one is the dc one. Dc base current. Dc base current, and this term is nothing but simply the AC base current. Okay, so in your question it's already given, because if we think about a transistor, so generally we are giving, suppose for the time being I am saying this one is a AC voltage VBE, and this one is some DC one. Okay, so the when both AC and DC are combined, so it should be written as VBE, which is instantaneous for a particular time instant. Okay, so VBE, that is a instantaneous, the combination of AC and DC. It is already discussed in my earlier video. For more detail, you can go for the microelectronics book by Sidra Smith. Or I will try to share my description about the whole concept. Okay, so in this question, IB is given. So we can say the IB, the base current is nothing but simply the 1 milliampere. Okay, and AC base current is 0.1 cos 1000 pi t. Okay, in milliampere then. Okay, so basically we have to find the value of R pi. So we are very familiar with the resistance looking from the base side. Okay, means this one is the resistance looking from the base side, which is basically our beta by Gm. We know this formula. Okay, you have to use some formula which are very important, like R pi equals to beta by Gm. Okay, R equals to alpha by Gm. This question will make 1 minute, but we have to know this formula, and there is a relationship between R pi and Re. 1 plus R pi equals to beta plus 1 Re, or like that. For example, so in this case, one concept is there. Okay, so this R pi equals to beta by Gm. Okay, and one more relationship we know, IC in terms of as a function of Gm we have to write. So we know the Gm equals to IC by Vt. We have already derived all these things. So IC can be written as GMVT. Okay, IC can be written as GMVT. Okay, so these are some few formula that I am just mentioning. Okay, these are some formula. So we have to find the R pi value. So first I will solve the R pi. So R pi equals to beta by Gm. Okay, so beta value and Gm is IC by Vt. So we can write as IC into Vt. Okay, beta into Vt, and IC is nothing simply beta IB. This one is nothing but simply our DC collector current. DC collector current. Okay. So this beta beta cancel, and beta VT thermal voltage take 25 millivolt, and IV value DC watt, we have to think about the DC. So it should be 1 milliampere. So it should be R5 value will be 25. Milli should be cancel out. So it should be our 25 ohm. So our correct answer will be 25 ohm. Okay, so correct answer will be 25 ohm. So this one is a very simple numerical. So in this question, this model is given. So basically, we have to know this concept R pi equals to beta by Gm. For the summary, I want to write the summary. It is some formula that we have to know. For example, suppose this one is our base in emitter collector. So a small signal voltage across the VBE is nothing but simply sorry R pi into IB. Okay. Resistance looking from that side will be this voltage VBE and IB. So VB equals to R pi IB. Okay, and this one is also same as the resistance taking from the emitter side is RE IE. If we are taking this one, this resistance, so RE VBE by VBE again RE IE. Okay, so for I have already written the formula R pi equals to beta plus 1 RE. Okay, so how we have to derive? For this purpose, we have to take R pi IB equals to RE I. Okay, is it okay? So now we can write as R pi equals to RE IE by IB. Okay, now one can write RE, the emitter current, in nothing but simply the AC base current plus IC. Okay, by IB. So what we can then write RE IB plus IC equals to beta IB. All are AC current. Okay, because the symbol and subscript is in the small letter. Okay, so it should be IB. So IB will be cancelled. So we can simply write beta plus 1. So R pi equals to one more relationship beta plus 1 RE. Okay, so this one is one formula. Similarly, R pi equals to R pi beta by Gm RE alpha by Gm. Okay, so these are the some facts. Okay, so for example, one more thing I want to discuss because we have sufficient time. So R pi, we already know how to write R pi equals to VBE by IB. Okay, VBE by IB. Okay, now VBE. So in the small signal model, we can write this VB as it is. Okay, and IB IC equals to beta IB. We know the formula. So one can write IB equals to IC by beta. Okay. And in the small signal bit model, IC equals nothing but simply GMVB, GMV pi. Okay, in this circuit. Or we can go for the step by step process into beta. So it is very simple. Okay, so this one is the R pi value beta by GM, GM IC by VT. Okay, so this one is the question for the small signal model. So we can simply use this formula R pi. We have to remember this formula because these are very important formulas are there. Okay, so we have to know this R pi, RE, and IC, GMVT. Okay, so the correct answer is 25 ohm. I will share my video related to this theory in the description link. Thank you for watching.